welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and we are here with a protective style that I kind of just rigged up. And at first I wasn't feeling it, but now that I got my makeup on, we looking real good. Okay, we looking real good, mighty fine. Okay, just don't make no sense. If you want to see how I got my hair to look like this, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, and of course comment down below your thoughts on this hair, and let's get right into it, guys. This is the hair. I received it from ZRQ Hair on Amazon, and it's really soft. There's no smell. I really love this color. I wanted the hair really thick and was initially going to use 6 strands of hair, but ended up doing the math and I wouldn't have had enough, but feel free to use more if need be. Now I'm going to be using 4 strands of hair as well as my edge booster or shine and jam, whichever you have available. I personally feel that edge booster works a lot better on my 4C hair. You're going to want to take the strands and fold it in half, then place it in between your hair and begin twisting just like you're starting a Senegalese twist, but you're only going to do that for about 3 twists, then begin loosely wrapping it. So you're not twisting and wrapping, you're just wrapping it, and go all the way down. Now hopefully this makes sense, but because you don't actually have an end point to one side of the hair, you can't really wrap it like you normally would a normal twist. So once you get to the end, you're going to wrap the remaining loose hairs around like you're doing a faux lock, and then do that rubbing thingy between your hands, whatever it's called. And that's all she wrote, folks. I don't know, y'all, I kind of like it. It's weird, but like I kind of like it. It's growing on me. Now I'm not gonna lie, this back the back is a little hard to do. Usually I'm pretty good with the twisting part, but whew, child, it's a little tough. So just a fair warning, if you want to do it with the rubber bands, rubber band method, whatever. I don't do that because I feel like that's a cop out.
The next day.
So guys, here's how you do it with rubber bands, because rubber bands seem to be saving lives today. The rubber bands are actually very much easy in the back. It just makes it look neater. I'm such a hypocrite because definitely was like, yeah, no rubber bands, but here we are, rubber banding it out. Alright, so first thing, just spraying some water on my hair, then following that up with some edge booster. And the water helps with moisture, but also makes the hair get and look a lot smoother. Then I put the rubber bands in some oil so that it doesn't break off my hair. Go ahead and separate the hair. Then insert your latch hook and pull the crochet hair through. Once you have that through, start twisting like you're doing a Senegalese twist for the first 3. Then start twisting loosely. And once you get to the end, start wrapping the hair back upwards. Then do the twisting between your hands, and that is it. Right now, I don't know what it's giving, because it's not giving life yet. It was last night when I was doing it, but now that it's starting to cut in my face, I'm like, honestly, I feel like it's because I'm not like a bob person. I love like long hair on me because I got a long face. So I love long hair on me, but this, I don't know what it's giving. I don't know if it's just me, but like when I'm doing my hair, like I could be almost done and I'm just like, why don't I just finish this tomorrow? I wish I could watch TV and like do my hair, but I just can't. I get too distracted. I don't know if you guys are watching anything good right now, but I don't know if y'all care or not about like what I'll be watching, because I'm not really a show person per se. The only thing that I really continuously keep up with, I need no judgments, is anime. Y'all cannot tell me nothing about Attack on Titan. Okay, that is my favorite show, and it is just starting out real slow, but we just got to a really good part, and I'm just very excited to see what is gonna happen. First of all, I want y'all to get into this little baby curl that decided to make an appearance today. Like, girl, who are we? Who are we? Because first of all, 3C. Nobody. also want to let you guys know that I did do a video on how I get my hair ready for a protective style, so be sure to click in the upper right hand corner if you want to see how I do that. If you want it to look more distressed, you can pull some individual strands like you kind of see me doing here. I made this twist a little too perfect, so that's why I tried to make it look a little bit more distressed and messy. So I'm really liking the side part situation. This is the other side. I wish they were a little bit longer. Some of them, like these couple ones, I wish they were a little bit longer. Just so I could do maybe just have a bob situation, but I kind of like this angle. I like when it's like sticking out and it's just like uneven, because I mean it's kind of the look I was initially going for. First and foremost, I love this necklace, y'all. I got it from Keone Official, and I actually have a coupon code if you would like to get one. They also have like really cool accessories, earrings, necklaces, but I will leave my coupon code here and down below so you can do that and get you a little change off, because you know we gotta spoil ourselves in 2021. It's all about wealth, it's all about being your best self, treating yourself, and this was a treat to me. So, and it wasn't expensive, so there's that. I also have been wearing it to where it's like this. I've been doing this a little half up, half down situation, and I'm really feeling this, y'all. And this is just another hairstyle that I decided to try. One thing I definitely have to note is make sure when you are sleeping, laying down, any of that stuff, you have some kind of silk thing on your either pillow or your head, because cotton has started to unravel these twists, locks, whatever you want to call them, and it is not pretty, and nobody wants to have to go back in and do your hair. So make sure you have it wrapped as much as you possibly can. So I don't really know what I was trying to do, y'all. Like, it's messy but twists, and I don't know, it's giving the girl something, okay? I don't know what to call these though. Like, do I call them, I don't know, like passion twists, distress twist, distress lock twist? I don't really know where or what to call these, but I really like them, and they are really giving me all kinds of life. I've only had them in for 2 days, and I guess one suggestion I will make is try to, I know I've made these, some of them are like a little looser than others. If you can, when you're getting to like that last little wrap, like maybe the last 2 to 3 wraps, try to wrap them a little tight, because some of them did start to unravel. The ones that I did a little bit looser, because I wanted it to kind of be the same length going down. I didn't want it to look like a faux lock at the end, like some of them were looking like. So I loosely wrapped it, so then it ended up looking like a butterfly lock. So it was still kind of the same size, but some of those did start to unravel. So if you can, wrap them a little bit tighter just at those last few wraps. Or if you want, which I would not suggest at all, but some people do it, if you want to use glue, but that depends on how long your hair is. My hair is actually longer than these twists, so I was wrapping my hair as well, so I would not obviously use glue, but that is an option if you really feel the need to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure, of course, you subscribe, thumbs this video up, comment down below, and of course share this with all your peeps, because I want to see somebody else try this, because maybe it's just me, but it's just giving me something different, and I think I did that. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.